Some of you may remember a past series about our wonky carrots and my failure to prepare the soil properly. They all turned out with knots and bends and curls and everything. So what do you do with them? Well, you can do quite a lot. But the best thing we found was carrot soup. So here's our wonky carrot soup recipe.
Have tied themselves in knots, and that's because when they're young they're not in sandy soil where they can just push easily without any resistance down through the ground. Unfortunately I put them in quick and moved on instead of slowing down thinking and doing what I should have done. So that's the first one, and I reckon that's probably one of the better ones. Yeah. Isn't it funny how they've all twisted in, well, I say all, the first two have twisted in the same way and tied themselves in knots in the same way. They've gone down, come back up, and then across and down again. The ones in the raised bed are the same, but just a bit fatter. I mean, there's some weird and wonderful shapes going on here. Love it. But it's time to clear this area. So, my goodness, look at that. How mad is that?